I'm Dr Vanita Rattan, a medically qualified doctor and a cosmetic formulator specifically for skin of colour. And today we have a very special guest. This is my Sienna, my baby, and she has inspired me to do this full series on teen and tween skincare. I actually love this product, BYOMA. You've done an outstanding job. I love it. This is one to avoid. Beautiful ingredients, beautiful ingredients. I don't really like this. I think this is an outstanding product by BYOMA. Outstanding.
But Cera Pet's way better.
Oh, that's loyalty. As we know, the #1 generation purchasing skincare from Sephora right now are the teens and tweens. But actually, majority of skincare wasn't formulated for them. So for example, retinols can burn their skin, acids can burn their skin. And actually, there's certain ingredients that kids need, like they need more ceramides in their skincare. They need to ensure it's fragrance-free. So I'm all about cute packaging, very preppy. That's the word that you taught me, right? So aesthetic, so very aesthetic, but avoiding the fragrance.
We've seen it, we've heard it, we love it.
Sorry, it all of a sudden smells really bad.
Okay, that's the glow. I love the glow.
It did make my skin glow.
I do really like how thick and rich this feels.
So today, actually, this is a part 2. I've actually got a first video on BYOMA. Look up, we can point up there together. And this is the updated video. I'm going to do the products that I haven't already discussed. These are the products that we're talking about today. This is the updated range from BYOMA. And actually, I really like BYOMA as with these core principles. It's fragrance-free, they tend to use a lot of ceramides, but I'm going to tell you whether or not these are worth your money. So first one, if you'd like to open this one to this camera, this one is the Melting Balm Cleanser. All right, do this and then open. Okay, good. Oh, interesting. Okay, so smell it. What do you think?
Smells like an oil.
It does smell like an oil. Let's do like this. That's how they do it, I think. Go on, do you?
No, they do it like this.
But in the camera, everything into the camera. So whatever you do, you shouldn't be seeing it, they should be seeing it. What do you think? So then rub it together on the hand. How's it look? Oh, that's very nicely. It's actually really,
it feels really like
satisfying.
smooth.
Yeah. Oh, that is so nice. I love that. That is beautiful, isn't it?
What is it?
This is the
balm cleanser.
balm cleanser. I feel like I'm going to get a massage.
What's a balm cleanser?
So it's to remove makeup.
Oh,
So
really?
let's go through it. Oh dear. So it's got palmitic acid, which is 2 out of 5 on the comedogenic scale. That basically means that it can clog the pores. It's also got myristic acid, which is 3 out of 5 on the comedogenic scale. You want to avoid this if you have oily, acne-prone skin. And the problem is, this whole range has been made for teens and tweens who, guess what, tend to have more oily, acne-prone skin. So this isn't making much sense. The positives of this product is it's got niacinamide and ceramides. So what I would say is I actually really love this product if you have very dry skin or if you have eczema, but if you have oily, acne-prone skin and you're a teenager, then this is one to avoid. If you could please open up Phyto Mucin Glow Serum for me, my beautiful assistant. Your skin's gonna be so oily now because of the oil cleanser. You in? There we go. Show us what it looks like. And then on your
I
hand.
like modelling.
You're modelling beautifully.
And it's
And into the hand, let's take it like this, so everyone can see. No, put as in good go. There you go, like this. Okay, so what do you think? Can I put some on my hand?
Yep.
So what would you say? Oh, very nice and gloopy. I like it. What do you think?
It's cold.
It is cold. It's nice and gloopy. I can see how this is so like social media friendly.
It's sticky.
It is. It does. It gives you that snail mucin vibes. Do you know what snail mucin is? Are you a bit
Probably
young
like
for
a
that?
snail.
Oh, wow. So that was before your time. There we go. So snail mucin was a whole viral moment. It was a very big Korean thing. And it gave you this kind of gloopiness that people love. I think they've managed to recreate the feel, but without stressing out snails, which is good.
It's probably like a snail product.
Yeah, like a snail product, snail mucin. Right, so it claims to improve the skin barrier. Let's tell you if that's true or false. So it's got solvents, then it's got glycerin, which I love, your water magnet. Then it's got peptides. So they're like basically like chemical messengers between cells to help rejuvenate skin cells. It's got panthenol, which is anti-inflammatory, plus ceramides. And ceramides are key if you have a damaged skin barrier. So I actually love this product, BYOMA. You've done an outstanding job. I love it. And just in case you guys don't know, in case you guys are new here, this is a non-sponsored channel. I don't accept payment from anyone ever. I purchase all the products so you get evidence-based information. So when you subscribe to this channel, make sure you hit that notification bell so you can come and ask me your skincare questions, because I'm in the comment section for 1 hour at the launch of every video. Moving on to the next one. This is the clarifying serum. Here you go. Right.
Okay, here we
To
go.
this camera.
The clarifying serum.
Have you ever heard of it?
No,
Have your friends got this one? Or not really?
don't think so.
Yeah, I can imagine. This is more for like if you've got blemishes on your skin. Ah, babe.
Sorry.
Okay, well,
Okay.
okay, enough.
Okay. So how do you open this?
So turn.
With this. I've got greasy hands.
It's quite hard being a skincare influencer, don't you think?
Oh, it's like there's like pipettes.
Yeah. These tend to not be very hygienic. I don't want to burst your bubble. Like imagine this is going to touch a hand and then you're putting it back into the bottle and then you keep doing that. What do you think? How does it feel? Can I have a look?
It's very sciencey.
Very sciencey.
Pipettes.
Interesting. Okay, let me see what it feels like. So it's quite light on the skin.
It's very thin.
It's sitting on the skin rather than penetrating very easily, actually. Not much smell to it, actually. Yeah, let's look into that camera. That's what it looks like. Gives you a bit of a shine to the skin. Right, so clarifying serum. Let's go through the ingredients list. Water, glycerin, niacinamide, love it. Helps to control sebum production, so good for teens. They put in gluconolactone, which is actually your PHA. It's a very gentle exfoliator. So you're gonna get a little bit of brightening. Plus they put in ceramides. So again, really good for the skin barrier. I would say this is a gentle exfoliator. I wouldn't use this every day. I would probably use this maybe 2 times a week maximum. If you're a teenager, you are definitely gonna be fine with 2 days a week. If you're a tween, maybe you wouldn't use this at all because you don't really want to be exfoliating the skin. The skin barrier is already almost exfoliating itself. So for example, Sienna's 12 now. It takes her about 12 days for a skin cycle. Me, I'm 41. It takes me 41 days for a skin cycle, roughly. So imagine Sienna's juicy skin cells are coming to the surface and her skin is going to be glowing more than mine. Mine is almost going to be stuck at the top and the crusty skin cells, dead skin cells at the top. I'm making my sound so terrible, don't I? But it's true. And so actually, people like me in our 40s, we need to exfoliate. But if you're beautiful, touch wood, like my baby, with the 12-day cell cycle, you're good. Your skin's automatically exfoliating itself. It doesn't need to be doing this. For teenagers who maybe want a little bit of brightening, I'm happy for you to use this maybe once or twice a week, but tweens are good. Okay, next one is the Hydrating Recovery Oil. Let me help you with the sticker.
Oh,
Can
yeah,
you do a sticker?
I'll stick.
Very nice. Good job. So pop that on your hand.
Okay. Oh, my hands are greasy
I
now.
know.
Can't turn, it's not turn.
Okay, you got it? You've got the smile down. I love it.
Some people go like that on their face. They went on my face.
No! Okay, go show it to the camera.
Is my face all sticky now?
It's just oily. It's fine. Just one oily side. It's fine. Go with it. Just own it.
I
A bit more. I think we need to do more.
Na diva is a female. Ooh, it's like oily.
Nice. I like. Okay, how do you feel?
I like it.
It's kind of heavy. No?
It's very
Very
oily.
heavy. I'm surprised you guys made this, BYOMA. It's not something I would expect for a teenager to be using. This is actually really good, for example, if you have menopause. Okay, I'm going to tell you about this in a second. All right, so it's called a Hydrating Recovery Oil. I get it. A lot of kids are using the wrong products and then they've got a damaged skin barrier. The skin is sensitive, it's dry, it's flaking. You put anything on the skin and it's burning the skin. So then they made this recovery oil to try and fix the situation. I would actually say go in with a ceramide, heavy ceramide moisturizer rather than this. But let me tell you about this particular product. I love that it's non-comedogenic oils. I love that it contains ceramides. They've got sunflower seed oil, macadamia seed oil, jojoba seed oil, and squalane. Beautiful ingredients, but not really for teenagers, to be honest. I would say if you, for example, going through menopause, you've got your nice fatty moisturizer, for example. Hold on, show you this. Get that. Yeah. So, for example, do you want to put this on your hand?
I've already got it.
Just put it on the other hand, maybe. Or just put it on your hand again. So for example, if you're going through menopause and you've got your nice fatty ceramide peptide moisturiser on, you might want to top up actually with this recovery oil on top in order to seal it in. Because when you go through menopause, the estrogen goes down, your skin barrier is less intact, and you have more transepidermal water loss. The skin tends to look drier and tighter the following day. And so it's a reason why we actually created CeraPep Brightening Moisturiser. It works beautifully for kids, for teens, but also for mature adults. Should we go and wash our hands?
I got this.
I need to go wash my hands, but we've got oil on it.
No, Diva is back.
Okay.
Still got this.
I've got oil everywhere.
There we go.
So this is a barrier repair treatment. And actually, I think a very well-needed product. I've actually made a whole video for you guys on repairing a damaged skin barrier if you want to watch that.
Pink.
Oh, cute.
It was purple, I'm not sure.
Oh, I like it. That's quite surprising.
It looks pink.
I know, it is pink. I wonder if they've got B12 in this. Interesting. Okay, so nice. I like it. And
it's like my nails.
I like that it's fatty, right? Like it's not falling off my finger. It means it's got high fat content. Very rich.
It's thick.
It's beautiful. It's very
Like
thick.
your CeraPep.
Like the CeraPep, yeah. It is. Yeah, you're right. So in here, they put in they put in water, glycerin, solvents, and emollients. That's what basically solvents dissolve everything, and emollients give you that kind of slip on the skin. We've got ectoin, which I love. Ectoin is an extremolite. It basically helps you from protection from pollution and stress on the skin. Also gives you some protection from light as well. And it helps to soothe the skin and repair the skin barrier. So it's a beautiful ingredient for skin of color. They put in ceramides, which of course skin of color is lacking, and I love that they've done that. And they put in anti-inflammatories. I think this is an outstanding product by BYOMA.
Outstanding.
Outstanding. I'm like, I really love this product. If you have dry skin as well, you might want to purchase this product too. So very, very happy for the teens and tweens to buy this one.
But CeraPep's way better.
Oh, that's loyalty. Okay, moving on to the next one. How do you want to do this?
Okay.
Oh, is there a sticker?
I'm very good at... Oh, come on. Oh, there's no sticker.
No sticker. Okay, go on, do it again.
Like,
So this one's an interesting one. It's a moisturising gel cream SPF 30. Do you want to pop it on your hand? Let's give it a second. Nice. It's quite thin, isn't it? How does it feel on the skin?
feels like...
At this point, I've just got oily hands. I mean, I don't even know.
It feels
I'll do an arm next.
thin, yeah. Like,
Okay, let's do the arm.
it's hard to rub in.
It's quite
Probably
light.
because I've got so much oil
You've got
on
so
my
much oil
hands.
going on. I know. It's very light though. It's like a lotion,
Yeah.
and it goes far. A little bit goes a long way.
It's gel cream, that's
Yeah, it's not necessarily a good thing because you need to actually make sure you are getting enough SPF coverage. It's not always a good thing for it to feel like a lotion. Right, so let's talk about this particular product. So first ingredient, water, of course, love it. It's a universal solvent. The next ingredient is avobenzone, and then it's homosalate, and then it's octisalate. So these are 3 different chemical sunscreens that I don't love for skin of color. I don't actually love for kids at all. And actually we tell pregnant women not to use a chemical sunscreen. We tell you to use a mineral SPF 50. What we tend to say is if you're pregnant or if you have sensitive skin or you have a sunburn, don't use a chemical sunscreen, go in with your mineral SPF. So put it up on your hand just to show. There we go. So that's enough. What we tend to say for skin of color is to use a mineral SPF 50 over a chemical sunscreen because it doesn't enter the bloodstream, plus it's anti-inflammatory. And actually we made Inzincable specifically for skin of color, so kids of color, because number one, it's got anti-pigmentation ingredients in it, so it's good if you have hyperpigmentation, but also there's fragrance-free and blue light protection. So if you're looking for a simple mineral SPF 50 with no other actives in it, go for Innisfree. If you have hyperpigmentation, then you might want to go for Inzincable. And the other mistake that these guys have made with this product is they put in lactic acid, which is an exfoliating AHA. So imagine every day you're taking off the top layer of skin, but then also UV is hitting the skin. This is a big mistake for us. In addition, there's no tyrosinase inhibitors in here. So if you have dull skin or hyperpigmentation from scars or from acne, there's nothing in here that's gonna help you with that. So I don't really like this as an SPF 30, but I do like, where's the other one? They had another gel cream, right? Which one did you show me? But in terms of their moisturizing gel cream, this one I love, love, love. Just buy a mineral SPF 50 on top. If you want to watch a video on the rest of the BYOMA products, check out this video up here.